Hey, what's up, guys? So we're trying to go ride up on this mountain, BLM land, where everyone else comes and rides. We're trying to film video at the same time as we do it, but these loggers, they like to come up here and they completely blocked off the whole area, so no riders come up on public land and ride. It's absolutely ridiculous. I'll get some footage of it when we get up here. There's one spot they tried to block off. And this is all BLM land. I know these logging companies, they come and lease it and whatnot, but like this was open land. This gate's brand new. They just put that gate up there. We can't go right up there. And they wonder why people start riding in town and doing stupid stuff, because they start to take all the good riding spots away. Like they came and freaking, look, they put a tree across there that wasn't there before. They blocked all that stuff. Yeah, this is definitely not the video I wanted to film today, but there's not really many places we could go out on the quad. There's the quad back there. Once we get up here, I'll show you where they really like don't want people over here riding anymore. Here's where it actually starts. You can see what they did. They literally do not want no one riding. They took all these trails out. There used to be a nice trail right here that I've rode on the quad. You can see all these little trails going into these. They cut these big freaking gulches. So dirt bikes obviously could come out here and ride. If you just want to ride on the quad, you ain't gonna be able to. And they did it on purpose because look, it stopped. Like on this side, it'll do the same thing. Here it starts again. Just come out and cut all these trails out so no one can come and ride. Over here is even worse. People used to ride up in there. Nope, they made a moat going around it. You used to be able to park right where they put freaking. They used to be able to park right there. Whole way down. Crazy. Like there's a nice trail right going through here to that side of the road. Sounds like I'm complaining. It's more annoying than anything. And there's a sign that's technically not supposed to be up here, but it's BLM land, so I need to look up the laws about if someone leases the land, are you still allowed on it? See what the sign says. What the sign says. Here, I don't care if you guys see it.
Area closed to all public use, fire level 2 or higher. Area open for non-motorized use and other times. All other times.
So, well, it's not fire level. See, there's no level, so they're not allowing you to ride up here. What they're saying, even though it's been like this for, I've been here for 9-10 years now.
But what it's saying is that if it's fire level 2 or higher, there's no motorized vehicles up here.
Technically, we're allowed to ride it right now.
I think what they're trying to do is these trenches is keep, when it is fire, to keep people off the grass and stuff that prevent fires.
Well, we're gonna go ride because there's no fire level right now. And if we get in trouble, we get in trouble, and you guys will see it. So let's get the quad unloaded here. Alright guys, it'll be a little shaky here. Let's get on going. Put in first gear. You lock the door. We'll go this way over here. I'll flip you guys around in a minute. Hopefully the stabilization on this makes it more stable. I don't know, let's see if we can do this trail. Let's try this one. Looks like there's water down there. Or did they block this one off too? That lid? Okay. So, you want to weight yourself? Oh, this took us out over here. Where Gracie decided to try to follow me up. I like this little one right here. Fortunately, I don't have no water. This is why they're trying to close these places down, because of people like this. Garbage. That's ridiculous. I could try to
pee on it?
Not pee on it. Move some stuff. Not a whole lot I can do.
Try to see if you can pick up some of those burn pieces and throw it in that mud.
I was trying to catch anything else on fire. It's just going to smolder those ones. I don't have water. If that was a bigger mud pile, I would. I guess this is why places get shut down, because of that shit. It's not smoldering as a little bit. Probably from last night, but look, Jeep walking, some kids. Bunch of beer cans. Probably goes to dead end up here. Over there. That guy was riding. Go down this one. You get a good view from up here of the, what, maybe Dillard? That's Dillard, I'd imagine, right? I don't know if we've been down, maybe we've been down this road, I don't know. I know the other ones. The garbage. A dead end up here. Maybe, yeah. Oh, yeah. There's a good little shooting spot too. Pond. It's a lot bigger than it used to be, I I filmed the video right there, and you could none of this all the way around. Even right here, you can see where they cut it down. It used to be like that little section where that grass was over. You could actually see the pond, and it looked like that middle section where it's clear. It only looked like it was that big. So. Looks like there's something coming up. Yeah. Oh yeah. Aren't they cut like trees or something? Right here. Last time we did this, we started sliding back, and I'm using one hand. Oh, doesn't look steep on GoPro. I hate it. Well, it's on a GoPro, but similar to the GoPro, it doesn't look that steep. Woo! This is where we went up right here, and we started sliding back. That was easy work. Now can we get back to the truck this way? We can, indeed we can. There's the truck over there. Oh, we'll go this way. Last time this was all soaked and wet. Huh? Ooh. But we can't go that way now. I don't know if we may have to turn around. I don't know if we'll be able to get out of here. We'll see. Where do those one people go? I don't know. Turned around left. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna be able to get out here. This way at least. Ooh, doo-doo. Yeah, we're gonna turn around. This, maybe. No? Oh. Can't go that way because they ruined that trail. See if we get out of here another way. Maybe straight, right? Truck's right there, so look at that little curve. Yeah, we get out right over there. But it ain't completely ruin it. little dust tornado. Anyways, we are out of here. That was a fun little ride. Wasn't the video I really wanted to do today, but it is what it is. It's better than nothing. So we're headed out right now. Gonna go and blow up that water slide and film that part of the video. And I'll probably post 2 videos this weekend. So we'll catch you guys in the next video.